there, it's me, Thriftastic Mom. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do another Temu haul for you guys, hence the orange Temu bag. I just recently did 3 sponsored videos. It was one big haul, but I broke it down into 3 different sections, like kitchen gadgets and jewelry, makeup, stuff like that. So you can watch those if you want. I'll link those down below. But this one here is not a sponsored video. This is actually a video of stuff that my husband actually bought and paid for himself because he wanted to try out the app. Once he seen all the cool things that I got from Teemu, he was like, let me go on here and look, see what I can find. So he bought a few things, and I thought, why not share it with you guys? Now, my husband don't make videos, so he don't really care to be on camera much. So, of course, he's not going to do this video. I am. But I wanted to share it because it is like more things that men like to use. And I want to kind of share the things that I like to get and things that men like too. Because, you know, everybody shops on Temu, hopefully. If you don't, you need to because their prices are really cheap. Now, the only thing that my husband had a problem with, and I heard in other videos that I watch, because I love watching different Temu hauls now just to see what's out there, because there's so much on the site, it's just kind of hard to find everything they have. So I watch Temu hauls just to see what other people end up buying. And most time they leave links, and you can, go, if you, are interested in it, you can go get it through the link. So anyway, everybody's saying that they come through like customs or something, tear the bags open to see what's in them, retape them up. And it does look like this one has been retaped a few times. So maybe that's what happened. But when we got it in the mail, the whole top was open just like that. I mean, I don't know who opened it and didn't retape it, but that's the way it came. And one of my husband's items was missing, which was something that he got for my dryer. It's like a lint brush to clean out the lint out of your dryer. Anyway, that was missing because the bag was open. So he did contact them to try to, get that took care of. And the brush was only like $2.38 or something like that. But anyway, let me jump in and share with you the things he got. He didn't get a whole lot, like 15 items altogether. He got 14 of them. My husband's big into fishing, so a couple of these things are fishing. I did take a few pictures of him having the items on. That way you can kind of see what it looks like on him. Because he put the app on his phone, they gave him a $25 coupon code. So normally everything that I show you would be $55.92, but because he had the code, he ended up only paying $33.09 for what I'm going to show you today. So I'm just going to kind of scroll through as I look these few items up and just, tell you what he paid for each item. First thing I'm going to show you are some Polarized glasses. He got 3 different kinds. Now, he does have one pair on right now. He wanted to wear a pair out and just see how they looked out in the sun. So he took them with him, but I am going to post a picture right here showing you all 3 pair. But here's two of the other pairs that he picked up. And these are just little clip-ons, because that's the only kind that he wears. I wanted to say about the pricing. Now, Temu is always running deals. So one day I may say these are $2.98, and then you may get on there and they're a little bit higher, or they're a little bit lower, or you can get a discount, get a coupon code, because they always throwing you coupons or different things that you can, try to save money. And they already a really good price, so the coupons on top of that, you can't beat it. So if I say it's $2.98, and then you get on there and say, well, it was $3.49, then that's just the way it works, So it may not be the exact same amount that we paid for every time, So these are reversible Polarized clip-ons, and he gave $2.98 for those. And then the other ones he's actually wearing right now are called unisex Polarized flip-ups, and they were $3.59 for those. Now these here are a little bit bigger. than the ones that he's actually wearing right now. They got like a gradient, like green to yellow effect there. And then they just, you know, clip on your glasses like that, because he does wear glasses. These were $3.59 for those. So he got those. Let's see, next thing on the list, he's got 2 packs of these. These are called 10-piece fishing rod strap. And they're kind of like Velcro. They come in 2 little packs like this. And he's already opened all this stuff and looked at it. So that's why most of it is out of the bags. Because most time Temu packs everything in these little plastic bags. So, you know, that's a lot of crinkling we don't have to deal with. Now, these are the ones that he already took out. So we got like a blue pair, red pair, a black pair, and an orange pair. And those were, he paid $5.49 for both packs. And they're just like little Velcro straps that just wrap around your rods to hold your 2-piece rods together. You could pretty much use them for anything if you wanted to. And they're about between 7 and 8 inches, because that's what size my wrist is, and it fits around my wrist. Let me show you. He's got a rod right here. He wanted to put it on it and see, and I'll post a picture too. But he's got this Guggen rod here, and he wrapped it up in the green one. There's the other end. So they do work. They hold it together. He does have some other kinds of those, but he just wanted to try these out. Both packs of those, $5.49. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he's got 10 pair altogether of those. Alright. Next thing would have been the dryer vent cleaner kit. It was just a long dryer vent brush to clean my dryer vent out. And it was normally $2.38. That's the item that we did not receive. And then he got this. This is called a, I'm looking down at his list here, 1-piece portable 4-in-1 knife. This was $3.48. And it's got like little, that looks like a knife file, and then it's got these 2 little pieces. And he tried this on one of his knives a while ago, and he said he liked it. Diamond tapered ceramic ceramic carbide knife cutter. Knife sharpener. So yeah, that's so that was $3.49. And then he picked up a couple hats, because he likes to keep his head and neck safe. And we put it together, and I'll show you a picture here of him with it on. Okay, this is called a foldable windproof fishing hat. And this is what it looks like. It's actually not bad quality. And it's kind of like where you can like fold it up if you wanted to. And then it's got these little, you know, vented section all the way around it. But this come in 2 different pieces. And then you just snap the neck and the you know, the neck part here all the way around your hat, just to keep it, you know, keep it off your neck, keep it off your shoulders, because it went a pretty good ways down his back and over his shoulders. So that was $5.48, and I told him, I said, that'll work out really good whenever you're, you know, out there in that really scorching heat, because he'll fish and it'll be 100 degrees. I can't do it. I don't like that. It also has a little pull string. So he got that hat there, and that was $5.84. Then he picked up a wallet, and I thought this was kind of cool. And it says Carkin. It's got a K on it. I'll post a picture here so you could kind of see what the front looks like close up. It's actually not a bad looking wallet. Hopefully it ain't too bright. It's kind of bright today, but I love the sunshine. So anyway, it zips. He loves a zip wallet. Zips all the way around. And it's actually decent quality. Y'all know I had to look at it and take care of it. And it's one of those wallets that I think that like protects your cards so nobody can read your cards. It actually has a place for your license. It has card sections in it, and it has another place here for some other kind of picture or social security card, whatever you want to put in it. And then it has this little button pocket you could put something in. And in the money section here, it has a little zipper back here that you can actually unzip and put something in there if you want to keep it private. He made a joke. He said that's a kind of wallet where the men hide the money from their wives. That way they don't know exactly how much money he's got in his wallet. But anyway, it's a pretty nice wallet. It's decent quality. I'd tell you the truth, you know. The zipper zips good and all that. And, you know, that's what I'm here for, is to give you honest review. If you are a man or a woman looking for a gift for your husband with Father's Day coming up, birthdays, whatever, you know, I like to let you know how good the quality is. I actually, you know, some of the stuff that they sent me when I got sponsored, they, a few things I didn't care for. So I'm going to be doing some videos throughout, showing the different things that I got and things that I didn't really care for, and then things that I love, because for most part it's good quality stuff, especially for the prices. The prices are really cheap. Okay, the next item he picked up Rugged Shield Shot Resistant Blue Moto G Power, and those are cell phone holders. So he put one on his phone, that way I could show you what it looked like. It's actually really nice. He said it's a nice, good fit. It fits good. It's just a case. Fits over your phone. He got them in blue. He actually got him 2 of them. And they're not plastic. They're like a rubber type. They feel really good. So he got those. That's what the inside looks like. We got him 2 of those, and these were $1.48 a piece. They fit, actually they fit the holes good and everything. $1.48. Alright, next thing he got was a multifunction knot tying tool. He said these were some kind of old school knot tying tools, and they got little clippers on the end. And he actually ordered him 2 of these, $1.79 a piece. And there's both of them. And I'm not sure how it goes, but this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It's got little clippers on the end. Something to do with fishing, something to tie his lines with, and that's the clip his line with. He knows more about this stuff than I do, and most of y'all men probably know. But he got him 2 of those, and he liked them. He went there and actually tried them out a while ago. So he said those were nice. $1.79 a piece. And then he got another hat. He loves these kind of hats. This is called a Summer Thin Men's Navy Blue. I can't see all the wording. I can't see all the wording on it, but anyway, I'm not sure what you call these kind of hats. My husband loves these kind of hats, though. I call them like a golfer's hat, but but I like it. I'm not crazy about these kind of hats, but I like this one on him. One thing, because it's a solid color, but it's like mesh. See, you can see. Hey. You can see me through it. So I was like, well, that's pretty nice. When it gets hot, he can wear this, and his head, see that? His head will stay nice and cool. But when you put it on his head, you couldn't really see his head through the hat. That's what I liked. But anyway, it's lightweight. It's got these cute little buckles on the sides, which looks like they, do they adjust? Oh no, they're snap. Look, they look like buckles. Which, yeah, they're just like snaps. So I guess you could unsnap that if you wanted to. I don't know why you would, but anyway, it fit him really good. Here's a picture of him with it on. And I thought it was cute. He really likes this, and he loves how it's really lightweight. I mean, it's really lightweight. It feels like it's just a few ounces, really lightweight. He paid $3.58 for that. Okay, and the last thing he got was another hat. That blue hat there was called New Buy. This says Only Love. 2022 Winter Warm Thick, and I can't see the rest of it. But anyway, this was $6.98, but he wanted one of these kind of hats. And y'all probably know the names, what they call these kind of hats, where they cover down around your ears. They got real nice fluffy material inside. Soft, really soft. My lighting's changing. I forgot to set my lining thing. Got a little drawstring on the back. This was a little bit snug on his head because he is plus size, but he said it'll work, and as he wears it a few times, it should kind of, you know, loosen up a little bit. But it fit around his neck, it fit around his mouth, it closed, as you've seen in the picture. So he likes it. He thought it was nice, and it'll come in handy on those cold fishing days for him. That was $6.98. So that's everything, guys. That's everything that he got. He just got a few things. He's not a big shopper, but he wanted to get on there and find some things that he thought he would like. And he's really into fishing, so most of the time it's gonna be fishing hats or men stuff like that. Hats and fishing equipment and different things. But anyway, all that you just seen was $33.09 with his coupon. So now it would have been, like I said, it would have been $55.92 if he hadn't had that first time coupon. So anyway, guys, that's it. That is the Temu haul, man stuff edition. I hope you enjoyed it. I actually ordered me some things off Temu, so as soon as I get my stuff in, I'll be doing a video showing all of my, stuff. Most of my stuff's household stuff and women's stuff, but jewelry, different things like that. Things I like. But I will be sharing that with you. It's stuff that I actually bought and paid for myself, not sponsored. So anyway, I'm going to go. I hope you enjoyed this little Temu haul, man stuff edition. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see any more of these, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be glad to do more if my husband decides he's going to order anything else off Temu. And I hope you enjoyed it. Leave us comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. That way you can see all my new videos when I post them. And I guess I'll see you in my next one. God bless. Bye. Happy shopping.